Sad man from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I know that photoshopping is haram, but Sheikh,
What
cropping out
is
photos
haram?
also considered
What is haram?
photoshopping? Photoshopping.
Okay.
My question is that if I, like for example, crop out a photo, I need to take a screenshot of something, and in that screenshot there are some parts of a man's body. So I crop out the part I need, and usually that is of some writing or any object. And in that cropped version of the photo, there are some body parts of that individual visible or some of his shadow, but not his full body. So is it considered photoshopping?
First of all, photoshopping is not haram. I've never said that photoshopping is haram, except if you are changing the features or the creation of Allah Azza wa Jal. So someone who comes and photoshops my picture, removes my pimples, my wrinkles, dyes my hair into black, makes me younger, makes me a different person or a more handsome person. That is haram because he's changing the creation of Allah. But if you Photoshop a colored image of me and make it black and white, no problem. If you change the lighting, make it dark or a little bit lighter, brighter, no problem. If you remove, and this is what we do in my YouTube channel, so many of my lectures, sometimes the cameraman or the director takes the photo of women. So my admins, jazahumullahu khairan, they blur the images so that to the best of their ability, so that you don't see haram images. That is permissible because it is not changing the creation of Allah, rather it is doing something good, and Allah knows best.